How to verify Phemex account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are on Phemex and wondering how to verify your account, then it is super quick and easy. First of all, launch the Phemex app or visit the Phemex website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. And once you do that, from the expanded menu, click on Complete Identity Verification from the top. Now, in order to complete your identity verification, you'll need your government-issued documents, face recognition verification. To start with the verification, click on Verify Now, and on the next page, select your country from the drop-down, and under ID type, choose your ID type you want to use. The most recommended right now is the passport. Just select any one that you have available and tap Continue from the bottom. Now, get your document ready and click Continue. Go ahead and capture your document by centering your document within the frame on the next page. Make sure to capture both sides of your documents and follow through the instructions. If prompted, you may also need to take a selfie or complete the facial verification step to confirm your identity. After you do that, submit your application, and once your information has been reviewed by Phemex, they will notify you if the verification has been approved or not. So that is how you will be able to verify your identity or verify your account in Phemex. Make sure that your identification document is valid, clearly visible, and matches the personal information you entered. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.